Hi, this is Tracy with DIY or Bust. Today I'm going to show you how I'm reinforcing my old 1930s era off-grid cabin. The structure is not built to code, definitely, and in order for me to do anything with it other than demolish it, I need to reinforce it. It is a gem of a building, and I'm excited about sharing my experiences with you. I hope this can help someone. Here is a shot of the interior of the ceiling. You'll notice it's 24 inches on center, and it was built with undersized lumber. It might have been correct for the era, certainly fine for an off-grid fishing cabin, but not great for something that we want to have make it through the next 50 years. As you see on this wall, all of the dark wood is the original timbers. So see where the fire extinguisher is? Next to that is an old stud that at some point somebody had framed in a window here. And then this stud right here that is just being supported now with a piece of new lumber sistered to a brand new stud was cut because there was a doorway here. Okay, so there was a doorway here. You can see the siding had been cut away, and then this new framed doorway is going to be where I'm relocating the doorway to for my new floor plan. So what I did was I went along, and because all of the old lumber, like you see here, there's an old stud in between two pieces of wood. That's called sistering, when you put another piece of wood against the original piece and you nail the bejesus out of it to strengthen it. So I went and measured from the corner 16 inches on center all the way across, all the way around the entire cabin, and which is 20 foot by 20 foot. And then I started putting in the new framing. I couldn't do it on the ground and lift it up because of the old timbers in there, the old studs, so I'm keeping all of that. So not only am I having the regular 16 inches on center framing, but I'm keeping all of the 24 inches on center framing. This is done to reinforce the cabin. Although this is a load-bearing wall, all four of the walls are load-bearing. However, this whole cabin will be enclosed in new framing to carry the load of the new roof. So this ceiling you see here, which is the roof, will become my ceiling in my great room. Hi everyone, this is Tracy. Thanks for watching DIY or Bust.